Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on AWeber, a super tool for email marketing that's perfect for small businesses. Before we dive in, I want to remind you to check out the link in the description or the pinned comment below. So the link will let you sign up for AWeber and try it totally for free. It is a great opportunity to explore email marketing with no cost. So what is email marketing? Think of it like sending a friendly, informative letter to your customers, but electronically. So it is a powerful way to keep in touch and share news about your product and services. So let's get started with AWeber. It is a user-friendly platform where you can create beautiful emails and you don't need to be a computer wizard to use it. Imagine crafting a colorful, engaging flyer but on your computer. I'll guide you through the simple steps of signing up and how you create your first email. So we will learn how to create a list of people interested in hearing from you. So think of this list as an online address book. So it will show you how to design your first email. So it's like writing a regular email but with the added flair and images and stylish design. I'll also give you handy tips on crafting emails that your customers will enjoy reading. So to sign up, you just go and click on here, try it for free. And then here, as you can see, we will sign up. So you'll have to add your first name, add your last name, and after that, you're gonna add your email address. So make sure to add or use your business email. Click on create your account, and after that, you'll have to wait for them to proceed with your creating the account. Now you'll have to go to your email inbox and verify your account. So finally, we had access to our dashboard right here. It is super user friendly and the features are very clear on the dashboard right here. Now, as I told you, the first thing that you're gonna do is to create a list of subscriber and people that you'd like to send them the email. So here you have your list options. So click on here, go to list setting, and from here you're gonna add the list name, the list description, and here from name and addresses. So you'll be able to add the sender address. So this is your sender, so the name of you, plus here you're gonna add the address of your account that you're gonna use to send the emails. Now here, if you want to add a subscriber or a new person to the list, you go to subscribers right here, and from here we have this icon that says add subscriber. You're gonna click on this button and click on add a subscriber. Now when you want to add a subscriber, it is very easy. Of course, you'll have to have their email addresses and their names. So here let's add, for example, the name of the person, and here you will have to add the email address of the person. So just write their email address, and here it is added. You can add the tag from here, or you can directly scroll down, and click on add subscriber from here. So the subscriber or the person will be added to your list. Now if you want to check the list, we'll be able to see the name of the person. Now I'm clicking again on subscriber, and here, as you can see, this is the name of the person. You can also import multiple subscribers. So if you click on here, you'll be able to add multiple emails. What we're gonna do is to write the name of their email right here and their name, and then we're gonna go to a new line and add the second person, and just like that we can add a list. So this is very easy, or you can directly drop a file to upload from your device, so a CSV file where you'll have the list of your contact with their names. Now we're gonna go and click on automation. So for example, if you want to create an automation email, it is very easy. Here you'll have many templates that you can use. For example, we have the template for the welcome email. So you can create a campaign if you want a new template. So for example, I'm gonna click on this one. So as you can see here, we have the template for the welcome email. So what it mean? It means that when you add someone to your subscriber list, so a new contact, you'll have to send them a welcome to the list email. So this this is like the first email that they gonna receive. Now here we have the template. For example, if we click on here, you'll be able to see the template of the message. Here we have the thanks for subscribing. So if we click on here, let me just click on here, we'll be able to see how it's gonna look like, and you can also edit it and make it your own. So here we can customize it by adding the logo right here. You can add a drop element, so like a photo, and here we have the message. So you'll have to add here a hi, and here of course the it is automatically doing, it will get the name that you added in the listing name of the person, of each person. And then here we have the message. You can make it customizable and change the message wherever you wanna change. So it is very easy. And here you have many options to create many emails to different people. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you're interested in getting started with AWeber, you'll have to go to the link in the description or in the pinned comment. I provided a link where you can start for free your trial with the platform. Thank you again, and see you on our next tutorial.